Make sure now wash out in privates because girl the green like cassava peas. So make sure when I clean up down there. Hey my people. Hey guys, welcome back to the JEMS podcast, and you all know it's Mia, and you are hearing and seeing from Mia's lens, all from my perspective. Before we get into this wonderful episode on this podcast about feminine energy, how to be more feminine, how to have proper hygiene, how to bring out the girl in you, let's subscribe, like, share, comment on what you think about this video, how this video has impacted you, and how this video has made your life much easier, how it has impacted you to be more feminine, how to bring out your girl energy. You get what I'm saying? Without any further ado, let's get into the video and comments. I reply, I answer, I do comment shout out. Subscribe and tune in for more. Hygiene is a big one. But first, make sure una shower twice or thrice a day. Okay? Make sure una beard up, make sure una wash out in the arm, make sure una wash out in privates because girlies, it's very important to have a good hygiene. It's very important to walk past people and they say, girl, you smell nice, you know, girl, I like your perfume. You smell so good. Quality, you go on yourself. You know, see, hygiene clocked on the checklist of showering is clicked. Secondly, upon the hygiene checklist, make sure you not just go in the shower and run water off your body. Make sure you not use up on soap. Wash under your arm, under your breast, behind your ears, your hand them, your bottom, your vagina. Okay, wash them, guys. Make sure you not use up on deodorants. Although some deodorants can give you cancer, but remember, say, you don't want no green arm. You don't want the body to say, no man, the girl, the green like cassava peas. I don't know if cassava peas green, but make sure nobody not pass and say, Make sure nobody not have nothing bad to say about you. Alright? Be feminine, be a lady. Okay? That's number 4. So we're gonna dive down into the intimate care now. We're still under hygiene, you know. We're gonna dive down into the intimate care, which is you guys' pH balance. If you do biology, you know about pH balances. What can throw off your pH balance? What can help your pH balance? What to do to not throw off your pH balance? Well, guess what? If you don't do biology, I am here to help you. Okay? Alright. For me, pH balance is called intimate care. I think it's an intimate care because, you know, your pH is like inside of your vagina. Yeah. What I'm seeing here is that your vagina cleans itself. Listen, me feel like say some females that take this too personal now. Not because they said that the inside of the vagina is cleaning itself. It does not mean that you must not wash the vagina. You must wash your vagina. Clean with rag washing. Never say you have to shove the rag up in your vagina. That's not it, because that can also throw off your pH balance. But make sure you not wash, because remember, you sweat. Remember, females, you all sweat. And this, I hope no man now watch this. Female alone if you watch this. So if you're disgusted, get off. Alright. So females, make sure you not wash. The vagina does not always cleanse itself, because outside the vagina is not cleaning itself. You have to take up yourself and clean your vagina yourself, okay? Make sure you not clean up down there, because nothing too harsh, because harsh things, harsh soaps, and them something it can throw off your pH balance. Alright? Secondly, on my intimate cleaning list, or intimate care, do not wear any panties that are uncomfortable. Don't wear them, because trust me, that have a lot. If your vagina cannot breathe, it go. I don't know what the right word for it, but you don't understand what I say, right? That's what I say. But if your vagina cannot breathe, as I said, a lot of things can throw off your pH balance. So it's best that you all wear cotton panties. Change your panty daily. Change it. You may talk. Change it. Yeah. So to prevent UTIs, I can put definition down below. What is UTIs? for those who don't know. So to prevent it, make sure after each bathroom visit, y'all wipe. Use tissue, use wipes, whatever. Don't throw wipes in a toilet though, but wipe up, guys. It's very important. Because when you just pee and you don't drip off properly, or you don't wipe up properly, and you drop back your underwear, it can cause an infection. Okay? Yeah. So please be mindful of that. Next, period care. All of this come under big broad word, feminine, or being feminine. Okay? So period care. Make sure una na wear uno pad them over 4 hours. Okay? Listen, I'm a female. Period blood is stink, okay? It's very stink. Okay? As I said earlier, no man is supposed to watch this. Okay? Alright. So period blood is very disgusting. It's not supposed to be with you for more than 4 hours. I mean, with you in the pad, it's going to be in your body, but girl, if you want your pad full, change it. If you're not full and 4 hours gone, the blood will be stained, and them something they can also throw off your pH balance and cause infections. Okay, so please, guys, be mindful. Tampon pads, change them. You know why? Like when it sometimes certain infections it can't go away. You have to just live with it for your entire life. And if you're not too young and you're not too old to get an infection. Okay? So guys, please be mindful. It's very important to do the necessary things. Them the intimate care. It's very important to be doing your intimate care. All right. So yeah, the smell check now. If you're a female watching this and you realize that you smell real bad odor, if you realize you have a odor, go to the doctor and check it out. If it smells fishy, go and check it out. Okay? Because there are diseases out here that it's crazy. Okay? If we jump off at the intimate care, so reach pan oral hygiene, which is your mouth, your teeth. You see my teeth are nice already? Anyways, your oral hygiene, pretty smiles, guys. Girls, pretty smiles. We are going for pretty smiles this season. Okay? We're not outside this summer with no ugly smile, no yellow teeth, no rotten teeth, no teeth that drop out, no teeth that shake. Hello? Alright, pretty smile. Brush twice a day, guys. I'm gonna tell y'all a little secret. I'm being honest with y'all. It don't make sense me I come tell you what to do. I'm not gonna be honest. But now I am doing it because it's very important. Okay? It's very, very important to brush your teeth twice a day. Yeah, because and floss daily. Floss every day. Move. Floss every single day. It's really important. If you have teeth like mine, if you don't have teeth like my one, the close up, you know, say the brushing can't take out the food, you floss daily. It's very important. It will let bacteria sweep in your teeth. Bacteria they cannot see. Food sleep in your teeth till them decay, turn into cavity, and all of them things there. And when I get a feeling, it's not nice. I'm speaking from experience. Feelings are not nice. Use on a mouthwash once a day. Colgate, Listerine, and the things them. You know mouthwash. Y'all know mouthwash. Whether you live up United States, Canada, overseas, if you know Jamaica, you know say yeah, mouthwash, Listerine. Wash out the mouth. If you guys can get y'all dentist visits twice a year, every 6 months, that would be great. Trust me, you don't know what going on your teeth. Because you know, feel, guys, you don't know what's going on. So I'd advise y'all to get your oral hygiene intact and visit you guys' dentist. It's really important. Before we jump off, brush your tongue. Hello, I cannot stress this anymore. Brush tongues. No white tongue around here. your pink tongue. Guys, if you see if you not brush your tongue, your mouth are gonna stink. Yes, if you brush your tongue, you know, see your tongue clean and nice. Yeah, you could have like your mouth from now to that you come. Your breath not gonna stink. You know why you guys' breath stinks? Because you're not brushing your tongue properly, and y'all need to brush your tongues properly. It's proper hygiene. One thing under feminine to become feminine, proper hygiene. It's yeah. It's a key thing, okay? Your hair and scalp, it really no matter if a natural hair, you have a wig, weave, braids, oil your scalp. Take care of your hair. Your hair is very, very important. If now wear a wig, take care of the wig. You want to be looking hot, girly, feminine? Yeah, take care of the wig. We don't want to see no dry wig around here. Spritz up some water on the wig and take care of the wig. It's very important to take care of the wig. Yeah, really and truly. Wash your scalp every 1 to 2 weeks. Depends on what is happening. Depends on if you use products in your hair. It's very important to wash out the products after use, because sometimes them don't know what them I use. They make them products here, and it can be harmful to your scalp. Okay, so it's really important to wash, or if you can resist from using them, it's very important to resist from using them. Also, it's very important to wear a bonnet to your head when you're going to your bed. It's very important, because once you wear a bonnet on your head, it protects your hair, because when you just go to your bed and no bonnet, the pillowcases, it damages your hair. I don't know if you all know, but it really damages your hair because it's a different type of fabric, and your hair not break under silk. So it's, if you don't have a bonnet, go and get your bonnet. It's really important. Yeah. And if you're wearing braids, don't make the braids them dry out in your ear. That causes breakage, build up also. So make sure you're oiling it, moussing it, wetting it, whatever necessary. Whatever type of hair you're having, research what to do to keep it elevated and the things them. Yeah. I will elevate it, but up and running. Yeah. Also, yeah, keep your earline intact, your edges them. Yeah, keep them intact. Don't make the wig them tear it off. Please, females, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. Or else you're going to live in the wig them. Yeah. Hands and feet and your nails. People notice them things here. If you're walking in cute little slippers, you told them they look nice, it's not go cute, girl. It's not gonna be cute. Your fingernail, yeah, do things, yeah, whatever you're doing, people notice your fingernails. Keep them clean. If you put on nails, something demure and classy. Don't make your nails them look overdue, and it don't cute. From a female to a female, it's not cute for it to have your nails overdue on your hands. It's really not cute. Yeah. No dirty feet around here, okay? Make sure when you cut the nails, clean out the creases, cut your toenails, go to your regular spa treatments, rich girl things, and them things them. Yeah. Clean out the ears. But make sure y'all take care of your nails and your feet and your hands. It's really important. Moisturize. Always moisturize on your hand them, your feet, your nails, Vaseline, lotion. Yeah, really important. Shea butter, really great. Yeah, really great as well. And you can't wear up on the socks them. Socks are fabulous. Socks comfortable. If you keep your foot smooth, nice as a female, clock it. No crack heels in sandals. It's not cute. No cracked heels in sandals. It's not cute. Alright. May you know my smell good formula. Yeah. Nia's smell good formula. Make sure you use up the smell good formula. Alright. Clean body. Unscented lotion. You can't, personally I use unscented lotion sometimes, and sometimes use cocoa butter lotion. If you watch my shirts or whatever, the one at the Get Ready With Me shirts, I'll see the cocoa butter lotion that I use. It's really great. It's really nice. Smell real good. Fabulous. Yeah. When you're applying perfumes behind your ear, Yeah, the necessary part, the pulse places them. Okay, yeah, it's really, yeah, and trust me. And let me give you a little trick. You can put Vaseline first, and then you spritz, or if you're using the rolling one, yeah. And it's not good to spray up your body with perfume. Okay, so spray it found on the clothes. Yeah, light body sprays, Bath and Body Works, Chef Kits. For EOS lotion, I use EOS lotion and it's fabulous. It's great. So the females them if you want to smell real good, EOS lotion, up the tea, Victoria's Secret Mist, up the tea. I think separate. Yes, that's a perfume. It's a JA friendly scent. The Invisible Hygiene stuff. This is a great one. So don't sleep on a dirty pillowcase. It will cause your face to get bumpy, and it's not cute. Prevent acne. If you're not sleeping a bonnet and you sleep on a dirty, the oils out of your hair can rush up your face, cause build up blackheads and the things them. And you don't want that, girl. Right now, me have 2 black spots on my face. No, it's not pillow cause them. I don't know what really cause them, but them need to leave right now. And if y'all are makeup girlies, make sure you not wash up and brush them. Alright? Make sure you not soak them. Baking, I think, I don't even know how it wash. I don't use makeup. I don't do makeup. Okay, that's not my type of. That's not my cup of tea. I don't like makeup, none at all. So, and if you're not, once again, if you do not wash the brushes, it will cause breakout, and y'all don't want that because you want a pretty face. Although no one is perfect, it's a part of the female to have breakouts and all of the things them, but at the same time, try to prevent certain things. Okay, as a female, you want to get your hygiene in check and your feminine energy up. You need to think about the things them. Make sure you always have a winter fresh, with a little double minty on the bag. Make sure you have a little Listerine on the dresser. Yeah. Or even on the bag when you go out in a restaurant, you eat, you know, so you can't really brush your teeth because you can just don't eat. Clean out teeth, but they wash out your mouth. Listerine, wash it out. Ask them where's the restroom. Yeah, you that. No, if you eat fish, no raw mouth. And guys, hygiene is not about shame or nothing. It's about having self-respect. As I said in the first episode, when you take care of yourself, when you put out an image of you, it teaches people how to treat you according to your standards. I think feminism is not about being weak. It's just like leaning more into your inside. It's really actually not about being weak, okay? Just when you want to, you just lean into the soft girl era. You know, means that nobody can step by you. Hello? Listen, when you're speaking, I'm not like, guys, I think most females don't understand what is really feminine energy. When you're speaking, speak with your chest. Don't speak like this. Don't speak like this. Nobody's going to hear you. You gotta speak with your chest, baby girl. Make sure they hear you. Make sure your voice is being heard. Your posture is very important. I don't know if y'all see, but I have a great posture. I love that. I love some about great posture. Yeah, learn how to communicate. You have to listen before you clap back. Listen to what a person is saying because sometimes you interpret it wrong and it's not that the person actually tries to say. Yeah. Listen before you clap back. Yeah, take a couple seconds for marinate with it, whatever they must say. Whatever foolishness they must say sometimes. Boundaries without softness. I know that no is a complete sentence, but sometimes we have to learn how to say no more nicely. Sometimes. Alright, so I have a couple things right down here so before nobody start drag me out to the place. Alright. So you can be feminine, have high standard, and lead a company. No one owes femininity, okay? You can be feminine without makeup. You can be you without makeup, be feminine, no makeup, and that's valid. This is honestly from my lens. As y'all see the name, Nia's lens. I am just speaking from what I see, what I think. So no need to tell me say I'm not saying go. I just want me think personally. Yeah? Cool. Yeah. Please remember, it's always for you, not because you want to attract men, females, whatever. It's always for you. Do it for you. Who out here do it? for you? Who they out here I do it for you? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments who is doing it for you. Let me know. Like, do it because it make you feel good. Trust me. I leave y'all with this quote. Femininity is not about who is watching. It's how you carry yourself when no one is watching. I love that one, and that's why I leave it with y'all. So without any further ado, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode on the JEMS podcast, and come back for the next episode that will be upcoming. And what will I be talking about? I'm not sure as yet, because you are the ones that decide what you want to hear from me. So if you want to hear something more deepening in the femininity, empowerment, energy, lifestyle, y'all comment, DM me on Instagram, TikTok, any platform. You can leave it in my comment section. I read, I reply, and all of the things them. So y'all let me know what y'all want me to talk about next. I love you all, my gems, and have a great weekend or a week whenever this is posted. Mwah. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to other females that you think will be impacted with this video. Mwah. Bye.